You're also going to need some butter. Beurre Marianne is preferable for the people that are in Haiti. Some salt. The fine salt is a lot, better to use because sometimes you can add a big chunk and it all turns out to be salty. But you just have to be moderate. Don't add too much. And then you're also going to need some garlic. This is natural garlic, fresh from the garden. You're going to want to add some sugar. After all, it is a sweet-based dish. Make sure you have carnation milk, or else it's going to taste a little odd. And yeah, carnation milk. Let's Alaska, guys. So we're going to need sweet corn, and then the regular corn. Excuse me, this is actually the regular corn. This is the regular corn, and then this is the golden corn with cream style, basically. So make sure you have these two. If you don't, then you really can't make, mais. Olive oil. I also have avocado oil, but I can't really find it right now. So we're going to have to go with the organic extra virgin oil. You're also going to need some flour. I'm going to add it gradually onto the pan while I warm up the mais souffle. I don't have any black peppers, so we're gonna go ahead and use gloves instead. And I like to add a little bit of seasoning, so I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic salt because I already have this salt and that garlic right there. So we don't want to add too much. We want it to, taste like just about right, not too much, not too little. Forget the parsley flakes. I like to use the natural parsley flakes, but I don't think we have any right now at the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and be a little artificial. So yeah. But I mean, it's not gonna taste the same. I prefer using, the natural one because the taste is a lot more rich. It's richer. And this, I mean, when things are fake, they don't really taste as natural or as pure. But since that's what we have, this is what I'm gonna go ahead and use. This is actually diced potatoes. I'm going to saute them with some oil, butter, what else, some parsley flakes, a little bit of garlic, and yeah, it's going to taste so scrumptious. I cannot wait already, you guys. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are excited as well. And yeah, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is the salmon and the shrimp. Those are jumbo shrimp. I think it's already cooked, so it won't be, it won't take too long to prepare. Also, I usually defrost my meats in cold water. Some people do it in warm water, but I think it's a little bad because it makes it become, it makes it extract like oddly, like in a very odd way, very weird way. So like when you put it in the cold water, it stays, intact. So that's why I like using regular water, not warm water. So that's just a little tip for you guys, for future references. it's not a bad thing to do because they're actually one of the best oils. Like, don't try to use the regular oils. I would recommend avocado or olive oil, you know, only because olive oil is good for people that suffer from cholesterol. So yeah, and yeah, if you do suffer from cholesterol, don't put too much butter in your food because butter has a lot of cholesterol. So now I'm going to put some lime and some oil onto my salmon and shrimp. A little bit of parsley as well, but I'm gonna add that probably when I'm going to put it under the oven. And as you can see, I'm letting this sit in the salt water so that I can saute it with a little bit of butter and parsley as well and garlic. Just to give it some flavor, and I might just add a little bit of soy sauce just because I like the taste of soy sauce, but you don't have to do it. Everybody does whatever they want, you know. It's my cooking channel, so yeah, I'm just, you know, I'm gonna share my fine work, my gourmet work with you guys, only because I love you. Why do I sound